better, a knowledgeable and experienced teacher or an intelligent robot? Teachers, teachers should not be replaced by robots because teachers are humans and robots are machines. Students learn better with teachers because there is a connection, collaboration, and cooperation. Robots cannot replace the human connection. Here are my 3 arguments in support of my proposition. Firstly, teachers inspire and motivate the students to perform better. They understand the challenges the student is going through because teachers have gone through the same stages of life when they were students. This feature is not available in robots. Secondly, robots can have technical problems. For example, their software can get corrupted with viruses or get obsolete. Teachers know how to handle a situation that requires an intervention and interpersonal skills. Robots cannot be programmed for impromptu situations. Thirdly, teachers are caring and empathetic. They are instrumental in raising the emotional intelligence of a student. Robots lack in emotion. My mathematics teacher taught me how to help my friend when he is troubled. Teachers not only impart knowledge but they shape the character of the students. They inspire, motivate and inspire the students. They empower the students to push their boundaries and become skillful. Teachers are very essence of a successful learned life because they open minds of every student. A robot can never take place of a teacher. To conclude, I would like to emphasize that it's good to be a tech freak around robots, but they cannot take place of a human being who's created robots. So never think of replacing teachers with robots.